Welcome back to another adventure with the Bearded Bobber. I'm bearded. She's a Fat Bob. Oh shit. What's up, guys? Another video from the Victorville Harley Davidson demo day. And I am on the 114 Fat Bob. This bike's a lot of fun. Getting up in here in the twisties right now. First complaint, these fucking mirrors. Same thing that when I rode the Scout that had drag bars and stock mirrors. I can't see out of them. The bearded biceps, as somebody called them, are in the damn way. So I can't really see out of these for shit. I have to like move my arm out of the way and then see the pack behind us, which is not a lot of fun to do it that way. But still, it's a beautiful ride. The seat is super comfortable. That 114, of course, has got a grip of power. A lot of torque. I like the seating position I'm in a lot. The bike's got a really nice angle to it. I'm pretty much flat foot on this bike. I wasn't flat foot on the Road King. I got to remember those things for us shorter riders. But I feel tall. I feel good. Suspension's great. I went over some potholes. You know, I'll throw up some numbers up there for you guys. I mean, I wish of course I had an exhaust, but these are stock bikes, so that's not usually going to happen. But it feels good. It feels ready to rip. No complaints. I see why Jay liked this bike. I know Brandon liked his talk about the bike. You know, if I'm comparing it to the Bobber, I still choose the Bobber over it, but if you're looking at comfort, this thing is definitely more comfortable. But you got to have the bigger motor to really compete from the feels. So yeah, another successful bike in my opinion. I really like the look. I know some people weren't 100% on the look because it's got a weird look with the exhaust and the headlight, but gotta change it up. Can't stay the same forever. Like that FXDR, people you know, complained about that one, but fuck, you can go back and see my video on that bike. I had a blast. Oh man, let me know in the comments if you guys have checked out this bike at all, and what your thoughts are on this bike. I'm definitely enjoying it. It was really comfortable on the freeway. It's smooth in these corners. I like the knobby tires, the look of them. Still able to throw this thing around. Controls are a little forward. I know somebody was talking about wishing they were mids, but on this bike I don't think it needs that. I'm not very tall, so for my legs and everything, they line up really nice. I don't know if I'd like those back. I'm still able to get really aggressive on this bike. There we go. But that's my opinion, and that's why where are we going? Where are we going? All right. Following the Road King. This is, or the Road Captain. This is not my call. I'm not leader. Well, all right, YouTube. We're on our way back to Victorville Harley Davidson, and gonna enjoy some more of these bikes. So, like always, you know, it's that old saying: stay safe, stay classy.